Really good job parking on the line, jerk. Alright, it's my day off and I was gonna just chill at the house, but I guess I'm bored. Just thought maybe I'm gonna go I'm gonna go to the mattress store, drink some espresso. And I think I might go to Home Depot and maybe buy some plants. I don't know. Alright guys, I'm about to go in Walmart and possibly buy the cheapest car stereo ever. I think it's like $35 for some speakers, and they have a receiver that's like 15 bucks. I looked online, people that have it seem to think it's just fine. All right, well, they don't have it here. And it's funny because they have it at the other Walmart. I drove past the other Walmart and I thought, I'll go to the big Walmart. I was just enjoying driving the truck basically, and I was like, I'm gonna keep going. So I guess I'm gonna head to the other Walmart and check it out. The Walmart security guard stopped me to tell me how cool my truck was. All right, they had the speakers here, but they did not have the receiver, the power amp. I'm about to head back to the other Walmart, pick up the receiver. I should've just got it while I was there. All right, one more time back into another Walmart, and I think I'll have what I need to put a stereo in my truck. All right, success. I was able to get the $20 car stereo receiver, $39 for the speakers, 10 bucks for the speaker wire. I've got everything else I need at home. All right, so I am installing the stereo right now. From the wires all the way through the dash through there. So I've got the speaker wires wired on both sides already. And now I'm gonna see if I can find some power. Got 12 volt right here, 12 volt switched. And then the speakers. Here's my speakers. They come with some screws, so let's just try putting them in like that. I'm not gonna pretend like that's on real good. I might need to glue something in there or mount something in there, and then mount the speaker to it. But let's just finish hooking it up and see how it goes. Alright guys, I installed my own car stereo. So now I'm just gonna take it for a spin around the block and listen to some music and, I don't know, just make sure it doesn't cut off or anything. I made Amanda drive. I think she's having fun.
Woo-hoo! Baby! America right here. American power right beneath my feet. Woo!
Ever since I put those speakers in, they've been falling out. So tonight I put wood behind them. I put a piece of wood right behind the speaker right there, and a piece of wood that goes right behind there, so I could screw them in. You can see this install. It's not great, but I just have to work with the old door panels because I'm not ready to buy new door panels. So I think they're gonna stay in now.